How to add or remove credit or debit card on Shein. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To add or remove your credit or debit card on Shein, go ahead and log in into your Shein account. You can do this via your Shein application or just visit the Shein website. Once you are logged in, now to add or remove your credit or debit card, first and foremost select an item to purchase. Tap on Add to Cart. Select your size, then tap on Add to Cart. At the top, select the cart icon. From here, select the item to purchase, then tap on Checkout. At the bottom, you will see the following payment method. Ensure that you have entered your delivery address, otherwise you will not be able to access your payment method. Select your credit or debit card. Once you have selected it, select Place Order. On to the next step, you have to enter your card credential. Enter the card number, expiration date and the CVV. Toggle the default button on to remember the card for later use, or just toggle it off if you want to use it for now. Then, all you have to do is tap on Place Order. You can easily edit the credit or debit card to remove once it has been added as a payment method. And that is how you can add or remove credit or debit card on Shein. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.